Uthi sesizandile, hhayi wayisusa indaba kamkhulu namatlofutofu ka-1-2 strokes. Uthi lalela sisandile, uyabona le ndaba sengiyikhunjuzwa ile ndaba ka-Sisters lo okubhalelile wathi hhayi bo wangigila umkhulu. Uthi mina sesizandile ngagilwa umuntu engahlangana naye kuTinder, angiyazi into enjeyaya, angiyazi into enjeyaya. Uthi sesandile, ngicela ukuyenza ibe mfushane ngoba ingibanga amahloni futhi ngibangela i-stress ngoba till this day I still don't believe ukuthi ngake ngazithola ngake ngazifaka futhi izinto esizenzayo thina, izinto esizenzayo wemalo. Uthi ngizwe nendaba amalwandle. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Nezomjolo ziyashisa.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona esihambela lekude phezulu. Do join.
Uthi kusisi, wena amalwandle uyinkinga ngoba uvele uvuse ezisemaminithini. Uyabona lezi ezisemaminithini uvele uzivuse, ufuna ukuvusa abalele, ufuna ukuthunuka amanxeba, ufuna ukusibuyisela back la singasafuni ukubuyela khona. Uthi lalela, nami-ke ngike nganenkinga ifana nse nekadadewethu le yokuthi uvele nje abantu besilisa nje bangakubheki nje, mina ukuthi hhayi ukuthi ngiphakeme or anything like that, uthi kona vele ngi-right empilweni nami ngiyilezo nje ezizibhekile. If ngifuna ukuthi ngithi shwi nabangani bami ngithi vacation, siyakwazi ukuziphumela nje sibe mnandi, sibe right, sibe grand, ngiyakwazi ukuzikhipha nami, angina-stress, angiyena nje umuntu oxakekile empilweni, ngizisebenzela kahle, ngine-apartment yami, nginemoto zami, ngi-right. Kodwa nje kuyikona ukuthi mhlampe uqinisile uma ngabe uthi kuyenzeka ukuthi mhlampe sigcine sifocusa kakhulu kwi-career or what not. Uthi kodwa mina-ke I have never been umuntu onama-standards athu high, kodwa nje nginayo-ke inkinga sidalo esenga-accept ukuthi hayi cha, kusho ukuthi mhlampe angisheleki, nginobuso obungathandeki or what, mhlampe nginesicwaxa or what. Up to a point la engaze ngangena khona kuTinder, yabona lo waTinder wakho, nami ngisuka khona. Lalela-ke, ukuze le channel ikhule ngicela ukuthi wenze kanje, subscribe phela, ubese ungalenzi iphutha lokweqa ama-adverts ngoba iwona ama-adverts enza ukuthi u-YouTube abone ukuthi i-content oyenzayo for YouTube abantu bakho bayayithanda. So ukuthanda kwakho ama-adverts ngokuthi ungaweqi ikona kuzokwenza ukuthi u-YouTube a-recommend le content nakwabanye abantu, bese enza ukuthi wena uma ngabe ubuka njalo uma ngabe ngiphostile mina usheshe uyibone into engiyiphostile ngoba uzoyirecommenda kuwena ukuthi nangu umuntu wakho usephostile, so awufuni ukusala. Ngithi kumnandi, siyahambisana kanje mina nawe njengo-Freeway futhi siyathandana sika-so. Lalela, nayi indaba, love me, izindaba zethu ziyakhulisa, ziyakha, yabona nje zimnandi, sibe sihleke kube nje. So enza sure ukuthi uyangifollowa Facebook, ngikhona ngi-DM futhi ku-Facebook, ngi-DM TikTok, ngi-DM everywhere where you can actually DM me because I am DMable. Lezi zindaba lezi siyazithanda, lezi zindaba ziyasiqinisa, lezi zindaba lezi sinika isibindi, lezi zindaba lezi senza sizibone sizingqothovu zabafazi. Uthi malwandle wayisusa into. Mina-ke okwami ukungishima kwangithatha kwangiyokuthi qhu kuma-dating apps. Hhayi ngawazama ama-dating apps, ngawazama ama-dating apps up until kufika uTinder. uTinder makafika ngathi hhayi awuthe ngiyizame ngoba bathe nkosi yami le ayikhokhisi. I've tried dating apps before whereby akhokhelwayo and benginebhadi lokuthi kulama-dating apps akhokhelwayo bengivele ngithole abantu abakude, uthole ukuthi umuntu ukude nami I have to travel and I was just not willing to take that risk ukuthi ngithi akusuke umuntu emazweni eze kumina or ngisuke mina ngihambe ngiye emazweni. So nje I was just trying to find something simple, something closer to me, something local, something that we can take it slow and see where it takes us. Uthi hayi kungitholeke-ke nami ukuthi ngiswipe left, ngithi right, ngithi left, ngithi right, kuthi right, kuthi ngqing, it's a match. Uthi malwandle, ngihlangane nalolu swahla lensizwa, and at this point ngizitshelile ukuthi mlungu, East, West Africa, what, I'm fine as long as nje ngithe mangabe ngithi kwathikha ama-boxes. Uthi hayi ngihlangane-ke nalo bhuti, sibe yi-match. Ubhuti mude uthe qwi, and uma ngabe ngithi ngiyambuka lapha ula e-South Africa and we are in the same city. As much as we are in the same city, i-profile yakhe isho ukuthi he's been out of the country. Uyabazi-ke ngokuba out of the country bona besoloke benama-profile akhomba le nale kodwa i-current city ibe ithi. Uthi hayi ngingayinaki le ukuthi mina I'm not here for all those story lezo, mina ngizifundela nje okuzongithikameza nje, ngibona ukuthi kahle kahle ngoba ngingasasheleki or ngoba kwenzakalani. Uthi hayi-ke ihlale lento, ngene kuma-inbox lento, ihambe lento, iyavaya lento, hayi i-relationship lento, hayi kuze kufikelele ekutheni hayi asihlangane phela ndoda, asihlangane shela ndoda, shela nawe ngizoqoma, ya ishayele indoda. Uthi hayi ishayele indoda kube mnandi kusheleke. Uthi lalela ngicela ukukuchazela isiqu sikabhuti, ke ngikudescribe yena nje ukuthi uyinto kanjani. Uthi ubhuti wakhona mude uthe qwi, and ubhuti wakhona is Kenyan, and uthi uyawazi kama-Kenyans ngokuba nemizimba epetite, nosisi bakhona bancanyana abanesikhumba esihle esisulekile. Uthi ubhuti wakhona ama-pictures wakhona mahle ama-pictures, and uyambona ukuthi ngazi ukuthi lezi unobumodli nyana because khona la eshuthe khona ngama-speedo. Uyabona nje ukuthi umuntu ozibhekile and umuntu ola nge-class nange-way. Mude muhle unesikhumba esihle sidark esisulekile. Uthi nje umuntu wakhona uyambona nje umuntu ozibhekile ukuthi hayi nangempela-ke hayi ivele ibe umjolo lento. Singene kuma-DMs sixoxe kuma-DM kube mnandi kele. Fika usuku olukhulu. Uthi malifika usuku olukhulu, before kufika usuku olukhulu sengiyayijomba ngiyijahile. Uthi before kufika usuku olukhulu unothi lo muntu mangabe sikhuluma kuma-video calls nani ufuna ukubona athi take the camera down, let me see what's in there, let's see what you're wearing. Yabona there's those kinds of dirty talks. Uthi unjalo umuntu wakhona. Uthi ngimtshele-ke mina ukuthi no, because asikakohlangani, I'm very conservative. I don't like to send nudes. And I don't like ukukhombisa umuntu umzimba wami, especially engawazi in person. So ngiyacela ukuthi le sireservele ukuthi mase ngicomfortable ukuba nawe. Uthi-ke kodwa-ke khona la engabona khona u-view once, wangisendela u-view once wempahla enkulu. Uthi u-view once ngazitshela ukuthi mengabe osenda ngazitshela ukuthi hayi maybe khona into ayenzile kwi-picture to make it look that thick, long and yeah, asibambe lapho sizoyifica phambili. Uthi view once hayi wangithusa wona. Hayi uthi hayi-ke sokufika usuku olukhulu ubhuti wakhona-ke athi bhukha-ke ntontontoni ngoba vele I'm not comfortable to have this man in my house naye, as much as we are in the same city and everything. Uthi hayi-ke sibhukhe-ke, uma sibhukhile la sibhukhe ukuthi sibhukhe for a weekend. Ngiyaqala ukumbona sikaze sibonane, kodwa nje I'm somehow comfortable because I'm fine because we're going to be in a public space and everything, so I'm just super fine with whatever that is going to happen. Uthi ngithi-ke send imali-ke yokuthi sibhukheke. Athi no, it's fine, I'm not going to send the money, use your own money, I will fund you when we meet. Uthi hayi nangempela for some reasons nje ngimthembe, I use my own money ngibhukhe, prepare izinto zakhona-ke phela-ke ngihambe ngiyothi N2, N3, and pause. Don't forget to breathe. That's the thing. Uthi okay-ke ngiprepare-ke ngihambe ngiyoshave, ngibe right, ngibe smart, ngibe grand, ngiready ukuthi ziyakhala phela this weekend izizopopa. Uthi ngangikade ngigcine nini malwandle, ngangikade ngigcine nini lapho mhlambe sengidonsa nje la ko 2.5 years umuntu ehlisa ngingasamazi ngoba nje cha sengi-acceptile ukuthi mina kusho ukuthi abantu abesisa bayangithandi, abangisheli. Makwenzekile umuntu wangishela vele angisheli, mekwalala nami ulala nami once gone. So ngase ngize ngayitshela ukuthi angivele ngibe nje into ekwi-celibacy stage ngoba kusho ukuthi angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngami. Uthi lifika usuku olukhulu sehotela-ke la afike kubhuti-ke, mekafika-ke asi-order ukudla-ke sidle-ke kube mnandi sixoxe vele sabantu asebevele bexoxa, sijwayele ukuxoxa, sesinto nje comfortable with each other, sixoxe kube mnandi kele. Uthi sifike isikhathi sokwenza impahla enkulu sebe isikhathi sokulala. Uthi angibambe uhambe ubhuti ayogeza, nami ngiphakame ngihambe ngiyogeza, ngibuye sengifresh sengithe nje senginuka nakamnandi phela ukuthi uyabona ngiready nemvunulo yokulala iready, and imvunulo yokulala ngiye ngahamba ngayo ngiyithenga especially ngathi this is a special weekend, I have to impress cause angazi ukuthi yini engenza bangibaleke. Uthi wemalwandle ngithe mangiphume ebathroom ngisabhinca ithawula ngokweyifaki nemvunulo yami. Uthi mangiphuma embedeni umuntu sekalele ubheke phezulu. Uthi Malwandle ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi le yanto maka ilele ibheke phezulu le yanto yakhe isalele nayo. Malwandle ngithi ingakanani into angizange ngayibona into engakaya. Yabuya ingqondo yami ukuthi hayibo lo view once kusho ukuthi it was for real. Uthi ngagaspa. Uthi what's wrong? Come baby, come closer to me. Uthi hey ngajuluka ngatatazela ngaphiswa umthamo ngonyiwa. Uthi ngalamba kwaxhuzela isisu ngathi hayibo lento engiyibonayo iyona ngempela noma ngiyabonisa ukuthi hayi ngithi mina I know I'm coming, I forgot to brush my teeth. Uthi ngithi qoqoqo ngiphindele ebathroom ngifike uthi ngiyibrush amazinyo kuphele almost 10 minutes ngibrush amazinyo lapho ngiyeza ukuthi I'm so conflicted. Uthi uyabona izinso zami zikholuda nesibindi kuyaphikisana ingqondo igaya icabange enye into and amehlo ami abone into eshaqisayo la. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what's going to be the solution because clearly I have to find a solution ngoba le nto engake izongenaphi le nto engake ngiyibonile. Uthi hayi ke sigcine ke isibindi uthi azangimemeze, baby please come out, what's wrong, come. Uthi azaphakame eze kumina, uthi mephakame eze kumina ebathroom afike avele emva kwami ngithi ngixobhile esinkini uthi avele emva kwami angibambe so angibamba ngihage angicabuza emqaleni ke kushuthi nje is just softening me and useyabona ukuthi ngibona impahla enkulu le uthi no relax baby, why are you behaving like a kid, you're not a virgin, ngathini I'm gonna be gentle, come on. Uthi angicenga ukuthi hayi gcine ngohlisile umoya sihambe sibuyele emuva. Lapho ngibuka iwindi ukuthi lingakanani lana sithe 22nd floor kule hotel esilele kulona. Ngibuka iwindi ukuthi mangiqala leli windi leli ngingakwazi ukupurutsha ngithi ngibuye ngikhomba ukuthi hey sise 22nd floor la ngizofa. Kodwa ke okusalayo le kufanele bayenzekile kusho ukuthi kufanele mayenzeke. Uthi hayi ke umfana ke yadlala aqale ke angithinta ke uthi uthintana nakamnandi umfana ucabuzana nakamnandi umfana ungithinta kamnandi ucabuza kamnandi umcala. Uthi ngangiqala ukucatshuzwa indlebe uthi indlebe yami wayicabuza. I've always heard abantu bekhuluma ngokuthi kumnandi ukucatshuzwa indlebe and I've never imagined ukuthi kanti ayicatshuzwa iyabhayithwa sakuphephethwa uthi hey ngizwa lento ezwelo mfana ukuthi hey sengiyayifuna noma ngabe ingakanani ngiyayifuna. Uthi hayi umfana enze izinto zakhona alala bheke phezulu athi come on top so that you can quickly get used to it. Ngithi mina on top. Uthi no come on I'll be gentle. Ngithi mina no angikwazi uba on top ngeke no aqale wena aqale. Uthi hayi ke angibambeke angigoqe kumfana. Uthi uyabona umfana mangabe esekubambe sekugoqa engazi ukuthi le yaphiza le nevoroso lapha around. Uthi sengibambe sengigoqe kanjalo umfana sengirephe around izandla zakhe sekumnandi yonke into nami sengimelithile sengirelaxile ngiyabona ukuthi ngiready noma ngabe ingakanani izongena ngoba vele phela sengivele ngamanzi te kwavele kwamanzi te. Uthi sengimanzi te ubhontshisi songilahlile manje ingqondo yami namehla ami lento ayibonile sekuyaphikisana nobhontshisi. Ubhontshisi usifonela kwa uyawazi ke ukuthi bhontshisi ungubani na. Uthi hayi ke eze ngaphezulu umfana meza ngaphezulu ke abe gentle inkosi yami angithinta kamnandi nami sengithi nje oh baby ifake baby put it on baby. Uthi aze kumfana uthi afake kumfana ke aqala afake kancane. Uthi lalela Malwandle wayesafake nje mhlambe nje isihlokanyana esingaka. Uthi wemalwandle ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi ubhontshisi wavele wathi nje cha ntombi uyayibona ke le ayingangawe. Uthi yeke mangabe ethe zama uyayiphusha incenge ngishonisa phakathi. Uthi ngezwe ngathi isibelethe ngathi siyahlehla sinokuhlehla sithi uthi sahlehla isibeletho ngasizwe siyahlehla. Uthi ngathi hayibo ngathi kwahlehla isibeletho. Uthi ngathi ukuvula kancane. Uthi wathi umfana open a little bit wider and relax. Uthi lapho uthi relax ungihlebela la endlebeni ungihlebela endlebeni uma le eyiluma sakuyiphephetha right and block button bo and uyakhuluma yangihlebezela. Uthi lezi zinto azihlebezayo umfana endlebeni yami yey zimnandi ziza kahle ziyangikhohlisa kodwa engiyizwa kada ayiyo papa. Ayidumi kanje. Mayizosuka ayidumi neze kanje. Uthi ngithe ngingazelele emalwandle sengirelaxile-ke ngithi uyangihlebela uyangicabuza wenza zonke izinto emqaleni sengi-right nje sengi-relax. Uthi ngithe ngizwa kusho ukuthi wayesefuna ukuliphusha lonke. Uthi wathi nje gqi kwakanye. Uthi lalela. Uthi lalela. Iyabona lapho I was convinced ukuthi nokuzala. Uthi-ke mina ngizela nginangane nje angikaze ngibe nenhlanhla nje othandweni kwangane anginayo. Uthi I was convinced that day ukuthi kwakuzala akukho buhlungu kanje. Uthi ngezwa izinso nesibeletho kugudluka kushona eceleni, ngezwe inhliziyo igquma ifuna ukuphuma ngomlomo, iphaphu ngalizwa liyoshayisana ne-large intestine. Kwenzeke enye i-collusion, ngezwa nje ukuthi nje uthi ngathi ha ngagxuma. Uthi angazi amandla angaka ngawathathaphi. Uthi ipain engayizwa ngagxuma ngambamba emahlombe ngamuthi nje fu uthi vele-ke kuncanyana kuzacile-ke vele mina nginomzimba-ke 36 38 la ngumzimba wami nje ugcwele. Uthi nje amandla engawabana ngathi nje ngeke bhuti akwazi, ngeke bhuti akwazi. Uthi ngathi ngithi ngiyaphakama akuphakameki, ngibeke unyawo phansi. Uthi hayibo yazi abuhlungu into ngathi. Uthi wahamba umfana wathatha esikhwameni sakhe, kusho ukuthi uyayazi lento yakhe ukuthi ixakile. Esikhwameni sakhe wabuya nama-lubricant, wabuya nezinto ezithile ezinuka ama-menthol. Uthi wathi no, I'm so sorry, I was trying to put it in. Uthi let me just try and treat you. Uthi wafutha umfana wafaka izipreyi, wafaka o-lubricant, wafaka ontoni izinto ezingathi zinobumentolinyana. Uthi hayi waxolisa-ke that night salala. Sathi hayi sizomzama ngakusasa. Uthi lafika ngakusasa. Uthi lafika ngakusasa abalwandle. Uthi ebalwandle phinda ungibone. Uthi yabona that day-ke ngasukuma straight, ngagqoka, ngaba ready for ukuthi ukuhamba, angathi ngi-right, ngathi bhuti ngi-right. Uthi wake wangibona ngiphindela. Uthi lapho umfana use-love head over in heels, in love with me, akatext. Uthi ngagcina ngimblockile ngaphuma kuye ngoba yabona ukuthi hhayi ngizofa la. Kusho ukuthi phela mina ngothi noma ngihamba estradini vele kusho ukuthi koshaya ikhwela nje, koyishayela ikhwela nje ngoba hayi cha le. Uthi ngicela ukubuza, ungibuzele lapha kuma-life graduate, bake bahlangana yini no-extra large? How did they deal with it? Because ngempela lo mfana wayengithandile nami ngangimthandile, kodwa hayi ngangeke ngilunge. Ngabona ukuthi ngizobhubha, ngizofa, ngizoyostitshwa esibhedlela ngoba cha hayi yayingalingani nami leya, yayingangami. Usixoxele down below in the comment section. Wake wahlangana no-extra over extra large, wawenze njani, wadila kanjani nawo? Sifuna ukwazi. Lalela, don't forget to like us. Nge-DM indaba zakho ngiyazifuna, ngizithanda, ngiziletha zinje ngoba zinjalo. Yabona leya namhlanje ngithe nje angifuni nanokuthi ngiyilalise kakhulu, ingene izolo. Namhlanje lesithathu today njengoba ngenza lesi story, kodwa ngizosiposta Monday. Ingene izolo ku-DM yami, yangena yathi qalakasha ngathi le hayi zizolinda ezinye, azilinde ezinye. Ngixoxa indaba waze waqaqeka amaqhosha. Hayi bye-bye, ngiyanithanda. It's a story time.